Hey guys, welcome to the channel, 7S26 Simon. Today we're going to take a look at Ottergram. Now, full spoilers ahead, this is just going to show you how to use my new Burp Suite extension, which I have vibe coded and been testing all morning. So what I'm actually going to do is go to extensions, unload, and then reload. And what you'll see is an out-of-bound catcher. As soon as you launch it, it's going to generate a URL and it should be exceptionally unique. We should not really be seeing any clashes. And what we can do at this point is let's sign up as hacker at hacker.com to sign up. Okay. Now, the whole point of this lab was to basically steal the session token of the admin. So if we come in here, and in this message area, what we want to do is go back to Burp Suite, back to the extension, and I have added a cross-site scripting proof of concept or POC. If we copy the payload, let's go back to repeater, go back to the proxy actually, let's intercept, and let's just type in hello and send message. When we send the message, we can scroll down here. And I'm going to send that over to repeater. And I'm going to highlight the word hello, paste in the POC from the outer bounds catcher, hit send, and you can see the message was sent successfully. So now it's a case of waiting for the admin account to open their private messages. And what we should see at this point is we should see a hit. Now over on the right hand side, this little counter measures how many hits we've got to this URL. And there you go, we've got the hit. So if we select the first hit, it's a GET request, extract the JWT, come back in here, paste the admin JWT. Let's refresh the page. We are capturing requests via the proxy, so let's turn that off. And you'll see that what's happened is we've now got this spanner symbol, hit the spanner symbol, and you'll now see the flag. Hope that was useful. Hope that made sense. I think it's quite a useful tool. It's probably going to be useful on quite a few labs. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.